So today we will go to the hospital for check-up.
Yay!
Yay! Check-up! Yeah, we're going! Yeah, so we're here at the hospital. Government hospital here in Thailand. So ngayon, pabalik na kami, pauwi na kami galing hospital. And so far lahat ng results sa check-up niya is positive. I mean normal. And yeah, going back sa last January nung pinanganak siya, nagkaroon ng complication. So nakain niya yung poops niya while he's still in the womb. So nagkaroon ng na-block yung airways, and then nagkaroon ng air leak. So nilipat nila, so they transferred him sa another hospital na may proper equipment. So they put tube sa right side niya, dalawang tube to suck the air. And then even the MRI brain scan, nakita doon na there's like blood sa brain niya. So like hemorrhage, and also some part of his brain is swollen, right? And even the doctor said they cannot do anything about it. So it might affect yung eyesight, hearing, movement, intelligence. But thank God, because we have family, friends, and community who really stand with us, who prayed for him, for us. So now you can see my baby is healthy, right?
Yes.
So the reason why we're doing this, because we wanted to share our experiences. Maybe we can learn from you guys